Social media users have criticized the vape vending machine set up in a prominent mall in Kuala Lumpur for promoting potentially harmful habits. Netizens were outraged after a social media user shared a picture of the machine, noting that no age verification was required. One user highlighted the contradiction between the proposed generational endgame bill and the open sale of vapes. Another user criticized the government, saying the wide availability of vape products has led to more children using them. The Global Adult Tobacco Survey 2023 found that vape use among 15 to 24-year-olds rose from 1.1% in 2011 to 8.6% last year. Checks by FMT confirmed that customers could easily purchase products from the vending machine using an e-wallet. Meanwhile, Galen Center for Health and Social Policy CEO Azrul Khalid said the unrestricted access to vape products was alarming and disappointing, calling for upcoming regulations to ban such vending machines. Natasha Bust, FMT News.